This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make circle roads in cities, skylines. Creating perfectly circular roads can significantly improve your city's traffic management and visual appeal. We'll explore the simple steps to achieve this, ensuring your urban planning is both efficient and beautiful. Get ready to transform your intersections into smooth, flowing roundabouts, making your citizens' commutes much more enjoyable and your city look fantastic. First, open your road construction menu and select the curved road tool. This is your primary instrument for crafting perfect circles. Begin by placing your first segment, which will define the radius of your intended circle. A larger initial segment will result in a wider circle. Remember to keep snapping enabled. It helps immensely with precise placement and ensures your road segments connect smoothly, preventing any awkward gaps or misalignments. Now, continue placing additional curved segments, carefully maintaining a consistent radius as you go. Each new segment should extend the arc, gradually forming the full circular shape. Pay close attention to the curve's angle. Slight adjustments are key to achieving a smooth, continuous circle. Finally, bring your last segment around to perfectly meet your initial starting point, completing your circular road. You'll see the connections snap into place, forming a seamless loop. For even greater precision, consider laying down temporary guide roads or using the game's grid overlay to help with symmetry before you start. Don't be afraid to experiment with different radii. A small roundabout might be perfect for a residential area, while a larger one suits a commercial hub. Remember to upgrade your road types to handle the expected traffic volume, perhaps using a 6-lane road for major intersections. These tips will help you build beautiful and functional circular roads every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.